Hey friends, welcome back to Simplified by Singham. Welcome back to another Python basics tutorial. Today we are going to write a really interesting program. We will generate all even numbers between 1000 and 2000 and also calculate their total sum. Sounds cool, right? Let's break it down step by step. So even if you're brand new, you'll get it clearly. Actually, if you observe our previous exercises, we have already learned how to generate even numbers in between a range of numbers that we want. But here we are going to do more than that. We are going to generate the even numbers and also we are going to calculate the sum of those even numbers. And before jumping into code, let's quickly understand the logic with the help of flowchart. We start by setting up our number I, which is equal to 1000, and then we also start a variable s, which is our sum, and we will set it to 0 for now. And as long as I is less than or equal to 2000, we will print the number I and add it to our sum s and increase I by 2 because we only want even numbers. And once we cross 2000, we stop and we finally display the sum. Once this is false, then we will just come out of the loop and end the program. And then we will print sum. Step 1 is to initialize the variables. And let's give I value 1000 and total sum 0. And we will print even numbers between 1000 and 2000. And yeah, and then we will follow the flowchart. While I less than or equal to 0, then we will print I value and we'll do total sum plus I, which is s equal to s plus I. And then we increment I value by 2 for every loop. While I less than or equal to 2000, just print I value and use end to print the next output in the same line itself. Just give some space. And then just give total sum plus equal to I. I think now you guys know this, same as total sum equal to total sum plus I. And then you increment I value by 2 for every iteration, which is same as I equal to I plus 2. And then we will display the final sum. This is step 3, display final sum. And then you print the total sum of even numbers between 1000 and 2000. Total sum. So this will give us the even numbers between 1000 and 2000, and at the same time, it will give you the total sum of all these even numbers. So this is the total sum, and these are the even numbers between 1000 and 2000. So here we started at 1000, and because that's our first even number in the range, and then the while loop runs until it reaches 2000, and inside the loop we print the number and we add it to the total. and then jump straight to the next even number by doing it plus 2. And finally, once the loop ends, it comes out of the loop and then it will show the output as the total even numbers, sum of even numbers between 1000 and 2000 is total sum. And yeah, that's it. And if you want, you can even trace it. Let's take initially I value is 1000 and total sum is 0, and this is just a heading so that user can understand that these are even numbers between 1000 and 2000. And while I less than or equal to 2000, is 1000 less than or equal to 2000 true, then it will print 1000 and total sum is initially 0 and 0 plus 1000. So this will be the first even number which is added into the total sum. And then now 1000 becomes 1002. And is 1002 less than 2000? Yes. And then it will print 1002 as the even number, and the total sum becomes, which is 1000 plus 1002. It will be 1000 plus 1002, and then this is how it will give you the total sum of all the even numbers. And then it will show you the output, which is something like this. Or if you want, you can give one more slash n so that you can keep it next line and then you can check. So it'll be even easy for you to understand. So this is what the output is all about. And now you saw the even numbers which are neatly printed and followed by the total sum. And yeah, that's it, my friends. You just wrote a Python program that not only prints even numbers but also calculates their total sum. This is such an important exercise because it helps you to understand loops, conditions, and also how to maintain a running total. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share this with your friends who are also learning Python. And of course, subscribe to my channel so you never miss more fun coding tutorials like this. Remember, every small program you write is a big, big step towards becoming a confident programmer. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.